Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reading for Pisces gamit itong The Red Rose Oracle cards. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Okay, so this is a timeless reading po. Okay, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood. Basta magtugma yung lalabas na reading natin sa sitwasyon niya po. Take lang. Okay, so reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And again, this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon dito na panood. Basta magtugma sa sitwasyon, take it. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga magiging mensahe ng ating Red Rose Oracle cards. Mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. Okay. So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? The Runner. Okay. Fear of intimacy, running away, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. So, it's either this is your energy, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone, a runner. So, it's like you're chasing this person or you feel like this person is running away from you. Okay? Or you are running away from this person, Pisces. Okay? So, ano pa po ito? Bakit running away itong taong to? Or si Pisces? Backstabbing, heartbreak and pain, separation and loss, deception and lies, shocking attack. So, pwedeng itong taong to or ikaw, Pisces, is meron kang issue, trust issues to someone na pwedeng naaano ka, nag-o-overthink ka, especially kung yung taong yun is napalapit na sa'yo, okay? Unti-unti ka nang nahuhulog sa kanya, okay? Or kung hindi naman to about love, pwede ding about sa friendship or kung sino man, workmates, family members na kumbaga meron kang decision na ginawa na kumbaga lumayo ka muna, nagdistansya ka muna sa taong ito, okay? Or you're dealing with someone also, or wait lang, balikan natin yon. Pwedeng dumistansya ka sa taong to because of fear of backstabbing, natatakot ka na baka saktan ka niya, natatakot ka, yun nga, parang meron ka ng trust issues or pwedeng meron nang nangyaring ganun. Okay? Or you're dealing with someone na runner and it hurts you so much, Pisces, okay? Or you are running away from this person and nasasaktan siya or ikaw, okay? Take nyo lang kung alin doon yung mag-resonate sa sitwasyon niyo po, okay? So, ano pa po yung mga message niyo po, mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito? There's the butterfly. There's a change, Pisces. It's like a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. Okay? So, evolving and growth, next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past. So, it's either you have to release this person because especially kung parang hindi naman, mahirap kasi pag ano lang, one way, ano ba? Tama ba? One-sided love lang. Pisces, okay? So, it's either ikaw ay the runner or you're dealing with someone na the runner, okay? And maybe meron takot sa commitment or pwedeng meron ng connection sa pain, okay? Betrayal, hurting, pwede pong ganun, okay? Pero after that situation right there, merong butterfly na mangyayari sa buhay mo. There's a transformation. Okay, from caterpillar, or as I said kanina, kumbaga magkakaroon ka muna ng parang anong tawag nito, silent phase. Okay, kumbaga mananahimik mo na yung mundo mo. Okay, mananahimik mo na, wala pwedeng dahil lumayo itong taong to sa'yo or ikaw yung lumayo. So, parang kang nagsimula sa umpisa and after that, doon na magbabago yung buhay mo, Pisces, into a beautiful butterfly. Okay? So, parang know your worth. Okay? Know your worth, Pisces. You are beautiful to be treated like this. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, kung meron ka ng trust issues, you have to evolve just like a butterfly, Pisces. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Coffin. New beginnings and liberation, reborn, transition, tragic ending. So, yes, there's an ending and there's a transformation in your life. Okay, merong pagbabago. Okay, from caterpillar to butterfly. Okay, girl with a snake charm or use, enable, or boundaries. Pwedeng ito yon. You have to take the lesson kung ano yung napagdaanan mo, Pisces. Ano yung lesson na makukuha mo dito for you to become a better person. Okay? For you to become the best version of yourself, Pisces. You have to think, analyze everything and also you have to be open-minded na kaya nangyari yun kasi naririnig mo yung side ng taong yun and naririnig mo yung side mo, okay? So, you have to listening all the sides na involved sa sitwasyon na iyon, okay? Para hindi unfair and hindi maging parang, anong tawag nito, one-sided. Kumbaga, there's a maturity and at the same time, there's something na evolving. It's like a character development. At the same time, you become a mature person and knows how to handle a situation. Okay? And you will be the best version of yourself, Pisces. Okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyari dati because of these 3 cards right here, there's an ending, there's something na transformation, but after all of that, there's a butterfly season na. Okay? So, maniwala lang. And also, don't forget to know your worth, Pisces, kung ganito man yung sitwasyon niyo po, okay? Cut down, yes, there's something na cutting, there's something na, ayan no, ayan Pisces. Releasing the past, separation. Okay, stop the pattern, silent treatment. Ayun, yung sinabi ko kanina, Pisces, ito yun. Okay, so ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Sa araw na napanood niya to, mga gabay, mensahe niyo po para kay Pisces. Pag medyo mabigat, Pisces, obviously, pag ganito yung sitwasyon, alam mo yun, yung parang comfortable ka na sa sitwasyon na ito, tapos biglang nagbago, okay, biglang nahinto yung sitwasyon na iyon. Obviously, of course, it's so normal na masaktan, alam mo yun, pwedeng iiyak mo yan lahat. Pero wag mo kakalimutan na merong butterfly na naghihintay para sa iyo. Okay? Merong butterfly. There's something na transformation in your life that you will become a beautiful butterfly, Pisces. Okay? So, surrender everything to God. Pag sobrang bigat na, hindi mo kontrolado yung sitwasyon, surrender everything to God lang po. Okay? Kasi meron siyang plano kung bakit niya yun ginawa, bakit na yung hinayaang mangyari. Pisces, okay? Huwag mong kalimutan yon. And there's a not today and healing heart. You have to heal your heart, Pisces. You have to heal yourself. You have to surrender everything to God. Okay, yun lang. Kasi may mga sitwasyon kasi na sobrang bigat and you don't know kung, especially kung wala ka namang masusumbungan, Pisces. Pero kung meron ka masusumbungan, merong mga taong andyan para sa'yo, you have to go for them and then have time, spend time with them, Pisces, para mabawasan yung kung ano man yung nangyari. Okay? And kung ikaw lang mag-isa, as I said, surrender everything to God. Siya yung unang kakampi mo. Okay? And the time will come na maghihil ka din and you will be a butterfly. Your life will just like a beautiful butterfly na magiging maganda. And dun mo malalaman, Pisces, kaya pala nangyari yon kasi merong rason. Kaya pala tinanggal yung taong yon sa buhay ko kasi merong mas better na nakalaan para sa akin. Okay? Hindi ka tatakbuhan, hindi ka iiwanan, hindi ka sasaktan, Pisces, hindi ka tataydorin, okay? Or anything na alam mo yun, masakit na sitwasyon. There's someone na darating for you. Okay? Pwede mapalove, mapakaibigan po. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong healing heartbreak, toxicity and addiction, abusive relationship. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po? Abusive relationship, pwedeng ikaw ay merong ganitong sitwasyon, Pisces. And again, know your worth, okay? I'm not making stories right here. Nakikita niyo po mismo sa mga cards natin, Pisces. So, kung ganito yung nararanasan mo, you have to look someone na makatulong sa'yo. Okay? And you have to run. You have this one. You should be this one, Pisces, the runner. Run away sa taong sasaktan ka. Okay? Hindi mo yun deserve. Okay? And hindi siya yung ah, isang choice. Marami, Pisces. Hindi lang sa pag-ibig, sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay po. Okay? So, you deserve better and merong pang magandang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay? Maybe ngayon hindi mo makikita, hindi mo pa nakikita, pero darating ang araw, mawawala din yung clouds sa paligid mo at maliliwanagan yung sitwasyon and doon mo marirealize, kaya pala ganun kasi para dito and dito ako masaya. Ito yung deserve ko. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Coffee cup. Oh, meeting and talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building a friendship. So, yeah, you have to spend time with people na mahal ka, mahal mo. Okay? Or darating yung araw na ganito na. Okay? Kumbaga after all of this heartbreak, Pisces, heartache sa friendship, sa love, or sa kung sino man yung dinidil mo, darating ang araw, mag-heal ka din and alam mo yun, ganito na naman. Okay? Pero feel ko ito ay something like a new, fresh, and at the same time, hindi siya pareho nung nakaraan. Kasi ang caterpillar at butterfly, magkaiba yung itsura, pero pareho ng pinanggalingan. Okay? Pero magkaiba sila ng itsura. So, iba to. Okay? This is a new, fresh, and kumbaga hopeful na sitwasyon para sa'yo. Pwedeng sa love, pwedeng sa friendship, sa workmate, sa family, or kung sino man ito. Okay? So, may message pa po ba kayo kay Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Partying, time with friends. Yes, as I said kanina, okay? Having fun, happily single, living in a moment. So, yeah, darating yung araw, Pisces, or you have to be this one. Enjoy mo, okay? Pero kung gusto mong umiyak ka. Okay? Hindi yun, as a weakness, Pisces. You are strong enough, okay? Strong ka dun. Iiyak mo yan lahat para mabawasan yung bigat. And after that, punasan yung luha, ngiti. Okay? Kasi, and pag hindi mo kontrolado, hindi mo hawak yung sitwasyon na nandito, especially if this is a love or friendship or anything, surrender everything to God. Hayaan siya na bahala, okay? And you have to go on, to just go with the flow. Just keep swimming, Pisces. Just keep swimming, ganon. Para kay Dory sa Nemo. So, just keep swimming, Pisces, as a Pisces, okay? So, darating yung araw, magsisimula at magiging maganda din yung buhay mo po. Okay, bottom of the deck is heartbroken. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan, Pisces. Pwedeng, ito yung recent lang na nangyayari. Okay, and I'm sorry to hear that from you. Okay, pero wag pa rin kalimutan, Pisces, na darating yung araw. Sabi nga nila, tatawanan mo na lang to. Okay? So, surrender everything to God and you deserve better, Pisces. You deserve the best things in life. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nag-resonate po and naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!